Friday, good morning. We're all out in the courtyard. Beautiful day. Phoebe's looking to want to go. There's Hermione. Hi, Hermione. Hi. Let's see what Elise is doing. Oh, she's over here by the new little patio set up. Hi, Lily. You like the chairs and the umbrella? Wow. Look at this. Okay, Phoebe. If I throw it in, are you going to get hurt? Are you feeling better? Hermione. Hi, Hermione. Hi, Mama. Hi. Hi, Hermione. Hi. Say hi. Hi to the people. Say hi, Facebook. Hi. Hi. Look how pretty the plants are. Oh. Wow. They just love it out here. And again, anybody's welcome to visit us. Okay. So tranquil and peace. Yep. Water looks great. Are you going in? Are you gonna go in? Yeah? Hermione, hi! Hi, Mama! Hi! So this is Corgi football. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna get it. Go. Careful, Phoebe. Good girl. Good girl, Mama. Come on, go. Come on. Come on, Phoebe. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna get it. Gonna get it. Look, ready? Go. Go ahead, Phoebe, go. Go ahead, Phoebe, get it. Get it, Phoebe, come on. Good girl. Careful. Oh, come on, Phoebe, get it. You can get it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good girl, Mama. Good girl. Here, go. Get it. Come on, Phoebe, get it. All right, Phoebe. What's the matter? What's the matter? Yeah, Phoebe, get it. Go. Come on. Because every now and then her little back hurts because she overdoes it. All right, come on, Phoebe. It's okay. It's okay. Come on, Hermione's telling you it's okay. It's okay. Go ahead. Go ahead. Come on. Go ahead. Go. Come on. It's okay. You want to go in? Hermione, you want to go in? Come on. Come on. Yeah. Come on, Hermione. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Hermione. Come on. All right. All right, Mama. Good. You know how to jump. Come on. You know how to jump, Hermione. Come on. Come on, Hermione. Come on. Hermione. Hey, Hermione. Hi, Mama. What are you doing there? Hi. Hi. No, don't eat that. Don't eat that. No. Okay. There goes the ball. Nobody wants to get it. You gonna get it? You getting it? Go get it. What about you, Papa? Harry? You gonna get it? Elise, what about you? You want to go jump in and get it? No? No, you don't like it. Okay. That's fun. All the fun. Bye-bye.